Hello everybody, how's it going? Ben Gothard here, founder and CEO of Gothard Enterprises, author of CEO at 20 Little Book for Big Dreams. And today, I want to pay you $13. That's right, I want to give you $13 for absolute free. Okay? So, first of all, you might be asking, well, why are you doing this? Okay? And in the name of transparency, I'm doing this because when I give you $13, I get $3. So, it's a way for me to give you money and for showing you this way at no cost to you at all, but I actually get a little bit of an affiliate commission just for referring you. So what we're going to do is we're going to be paying you through this thing called Swagbucks, and I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of this platform later in the video, but you can always go register and get your free $13 at any time. You know, the rest of the video is just for people who want to go and earn more with Swagbucks, because you can earn a lot of money doing basically nothing through this platform. So it's going to be kind of a review, kind of a demo, but again, at any time that you want to earn your free $13, you can sign up directly below. There will be a link, again, that's an affiliate link. When you earn $13, I earn $3, helps me be able to do more of this for you. That being said, let's jump into my computer. I'm going to give you a complete tutorial. Again, at any time, you can grab your $13 by clicking the link below. Alright, talk to you soon. Alright, you guys, so we're inside of my computer, and when you click the link below, it's going to, and only when you click the link below, it's going to take you to this nice site right here, Swagbucks, like I was telling you, and you get your $10 bonus here. Plus, I'm going to show you once we log in how you can get that last $3 as well. So that's $13 for free for you, and it's, you know, that's super passive income. That's free money. Okay, so you can sign up with either your email address and password or Facebook. So once you sign up, it's going to take you here. Okay, and as you can see, again, refer and earn $3. So on top of that $10 that you saw before, what you're also going to earn is this $3 here. So that's how you're going to make that free $13. Whenever you make that $13, and only when you make that $13 do I get $3 as well. So it's a win-win for everybody. But let's talk about how you can earn even more money with Swagbucks on top of that free 13 by clicking below. So you can come in, and the whole idea here is that you're going to earn Swagbucks. They call them SB, right? Everything's swag here. So you're going to earn 5 SB, 60 SB, so on and so forth. So what happens is when you get enough Swagbucks, you can come and redeem them here in the redeem section, and you can get gift cards. So that's Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card over here, or a PayPal gift card right here. Now the beauty of the PayPal gift card is that this is cash. So you can literally get cash from this website. You can get free cash. This is one of the easiest ways to get money online for absolute free. This is some of the most passive income I've ever found, and I've been doing this for over 3 years. This is awesome. Okay, so how do you get these Swagbucks? Well, for signing up, you get Swagbucks, by the way. Now, there are other ways to get Swagbucks too, right? So if you go here and you shop through Swagbucks, which is super easy, you can get cash back, right? And so, you know, hotels.com, you get 10% cash back. Amazon.com, 10% cash back. And all these different websites, you know, HP, Macy's, Home Depot, Sam's, all the Barnes & Nobles, Old Navy, all these different stores that you can go and you can shop through Swagbucks, and you can get money back, right? So it's super, super easy to make money here. It's super easy, right? And so if you're already going to be shopping here, just shop through Swagbucks and you make money back. You're getting paid to shop. It's awesome. Okay, you can find local deals based on your zip code. You can go to find the most popular stores. Anything and everything that you want to earn money back from, use Swagbucks. It's awesome. Okay, so in addition, you can go and you can watch videos. Now, this is the most passive source of income that I think I've ever come across in my life. You literally have to click watch playlist and you earn money. You watch videos and get paid. I mean, that is like the simplest way to make money that exists. So literally all you have to do is watch videos and you get paid. It really doesn't get any easier than that. Okay, so you can get money back on the purchases you're already making. You can watch videos and get paid. You can go and take surveys and you can get paid for your opinions. Just for telling people what you think about different things, you can start making money. It's beautiful. It really is. Okay, so surveys, you get cash back on what you're already buying. You can watch different videos and get paid. You can give people your opinion and get paid. You can discover and search for new ways to get paid. And the last one I want to talk about is the games section. Okay, you can go in and you can play games and you can make money. Now that's awesome. You literally get money. You get paid to play video games or app games, whatever. And the thing is here, if you're already playing these games, play it through Swagbucks and make money on the things you're already doing. Like, that is such an easy way to make money, especially if you're already playing these games, because you're doing it anyways. You might as well get paid for it. Okay, so this has been a very quick tutorial of Swagbucks. Really, the easiest way is to just go ahead and sign up using my link below, get your $13, and then just explore. And you'll start finding that passive income is very, very easy to find on this website. Now, you may be saying, but Ben, you only have 6 Swagbucks. Why are you telling me to do something you're not doing? This is an account that I made specifically for this video. I am not going to be just for privacy reasons, I'm not going to be logging into my main account on Swagbucks. So this is just for like showing you and reviewing purposes. So I don't want you to think that I'm just saying this just to say this. I definitely use Swagbucks and make a ton of passive income off of it. I just wanted to show you for demonstration purposes with a fresh new account. Okay, so again, click the link below, grab your $13, and even if you don't want to use Swagbucks at all, go get your $13 and then do whatever you want with it. But grab your 13, move on, or grab your 13 and make a ton more using Swagbucks. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. Alrighty there, so I hope this has been an informative and helpful video to you. Swagbucks is just one of those things that I really think you should investigate, and at the very least sign up and get your free $13. It doesn't take very much time. It's free money. How could you say no to free money? Okay, so again, go click on the affiliate link below. That is how you will get your free $13. I want to pay you your free $13. I want to give you as many free $13 as I can, right? Because it's a win-win for everybody. So go grab your free $13 and start making that passive income. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.